Caterpillar 3406E 5EK engine overhaul kit. We want to do a nice unboxing on this engine. 5EKs are really popular out there, so this is one of the 5EK overhaul kits that we offer. And here we go, let's do the unboxing. Gasket set, in-frame overhaul gasket set for your 3406E. You got the bill of material here. It's a custom gasket set, everything you need for an in-frame. We'll go over this set in a different unboxing video so you can see everything that comes in it. Over here, our overhaul kits are packaged very nicely, securely. You can see that you get your thrust washers here, your inlet and outlet, oil pump, O-rings, connecting rod bearings. These connecting rod bearings are tri-metal bearings for higher load capacity, to last longer, more wear resistant. There you can see them, special bearings. And then we got another insert box here. This has your main bearings, also tri-metal main bearings. That's all your main bearings. Then we got our cylinder kit. And here we go, cylinder kit, let's go. Let me get my knife. Here we go, let's see this 3406E cylinder kit. Check it out. This keeps the piston down so it doesn't move. You got your two-piece steel piston. Check it out, check out that aluminum skirt. This is a forged steel crown, withstand high loads. We get so many customers and people say, why don't you have a one-piece steel piston for this application? We're still getting customers that are getting 1,000,000 miles out of these pistons. Yeah, I know that the monotherm piston's a higher technologically advanced piston. We're gonna come out with one, but this does the job, okay? But I understand if you want that one-piece steel piston, so it's coming out. Gray cast iron liner. This liner that we have here for the Cat 3400 series C15, C16, it is a very high quality, strong liner. It's induction hardened, and it's also hardened in the fillet radius area here as a secondary hardening process that we do to give that load, the flange, a high load capacity. So, you know, everybody knows these are prone to cracking. So our liner is known in the industry as one of the best to be anti-cracking in the flange area. Not to mention we have a very nice hatch honing pattern on our liners. Those peaks and valleys right there, they give you better oil retention, a better meshing between piston rings and the liner cylinder wall. So you have an engine that'll last really long, and it's a very durable kit. And here's our side box. You got your piston ring retainers. You got your liner seals. Every liner seal is marked with part number, and it's also marked with what fluid it's sealing. And then our ring sets right here. Guys, this is a tested, a proven kit in the industry. We have a lot of people rebuilding their Cat motors with our kits. This 3406E right here is just a great kit. So if you want to learn any more, just hit us up on our link in our bio and we can point you in the right direction. Thank you.